Hello everyone, today I'm making hummus with garlic, but garlic is optional if you like it. If not, you can skip it. For this recipe I need some cayenne pepper, cumin, coriander, salt, garlic powder, paprika, the crushed garlic. I have a couple of limes here. I also need this tahini sesame paste, some olive oil, some water, and these chickpeas or garbanzo beans. What you need to do, you need to open the can and drain it, and also clean the skin out in some fresh water. I'm gonna show you how it's done. Okay, so I drained the chickpeas, and I'm gonna go ahead and put the beans in this clean water. And you want to make sure that you remove that skin. So you go ahead and you go like this. And you'll have to change the water probably 3-4 times to get all this skin away. So you see how the skin comes off? So all this skin, you want to make sure you remove it. Okay, so I'm gonna start and remove some of this skin. Just put it in a bowl here. Look how much it is. If you want to have a smooth hummus, you have to remove this skin. I never make it with the skin. Okay, now that the chickpeas are all cleaned, the skin is gone, I'm going to put them in this food processor. And then we're going to go ahead and put all these spices in. I'm going to start with a little bit of salt, about a teaspoon each, and then you can add more as you like. Some coriander, some garlic powder, the cumin, the cayenne, and I'm also gonna add 1 teaspoon of chopped garlic. We're gonna go ahead and mix. Open this. And you wanna go in there with a small spatula or spoon. Get the sides. I'm gonna add a little bit of the lime juice that I squeezed. Just about half of it now. And the tahini paste, which I'm gonna put a little bit here. That's about it. And you want to make sure you taste and you see if you need more salt, more of any of the other spices. I'm gonna add a little more garlic powder, a little more garlic, and some more cumin. Go ahead and put some more tahini. And a little bit of water, a couple of spoons, 2-3 spoons. Okay, at this point you want to go ahead and add some olive oil, about a spoon or two. Okay, you have to add water to make it as a nice consistency, otherwise it will be like too dry. So let me see, taste again. Okay, now the hummus is all done. So I'm gonna put it in a bowl. I'm gonna show you how I like to eat it. Okay, so I put the hummus in a bowl and I sliced up some pita bread. I like to add some olive oil on top of my hummus. And then also sprinkle some paprika. And there you have it. It's a great snack. It's great for parties. It's great for appetizers. You can have it as a side for any meal. It's just delicious. I hope you'll enjoy it. And just make sure for the full recipe, check the description box below this video. And I will see you next time for a new recipe. Bye-bye.